Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Sarah and Leo English podcast. I am Sarah, and today we have a very important topic.
Tho di thuan thwat, hello everyone. I am Leo. Or, what is left of Leo?
Leo? You sound terrible. Are you sick? Do you have a fever?
No fever, Sarah. But my brain, it is potato soup. Mushy potato soup.
Your brain is potato soup? That is a very creative description.
Yes. And my heart, it is a heavy stone. I look at my computer screen and I want to cry. I think I have. The big sad.
The big sad? Leo, oh dear. I think I know what is happening. You are not sick physically. You are mentally exhausted.
Yes. Mentally finished. I try to tell my boss, I am very hurt in my spirit, but he just looked at me weirdly.
I bet he did. Hurt in my spirit sounds like a line from a fantasy movie. We need to fix your vocabulary so you can express your feelings properly.
Please help me. I have so much stress, I am going to explode like a balloon.
Okay, Leo, take a deep breath. Let's analyze your sentences. First, don't say, my brain is potato soup. It's funny, but not professional.
But it feels like soup. It is slow and thick.
The correct phrase is, I am experiencing brain fog, or simply, I can't think straight.
Brain fog. Like the weather in London. Inside my head. Okay.
Second, the big sad or hurt in my spirit. In English, when we are stressed from work, we often say, I am burnt out or I am feeling down.
Burnt out. Like a candle with no more fire.
Exactly. Burnout is a serious condition. And finally, don't say explode like a balloon. Say, I am overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed. That is a big word. It sounds serious.
It is. Today, we will use the shadowing technique to learn how to talk about stress, sadness, and asking for support. Are you ready to open up?
I am ready. My brain fog is clearing up a little.
Let's start with high stress. This is for when you have too much work. Listen to the rhythm. I am completely.
I am completely.
Stressed out.
Stressed out.
Right now.
Right now.
Full sentence, I am completely stressed out right now.
I am completely stressed out right now.
Good. Stressed out is the most common phrasal verb. Now, let's use an idiom. I am up to my ears.
I am up to my ears.
In work.
In work.
Full sentence, I am up to my ears in work.
I am up to my ears in work. Wait, Sarah. Can I say, up to my nose?
No, usually we say up to my ears or up to my eyeballs if you want to be dramatic.
Up to my eyeballs. Wow. That is a lot of work.
Now, the serious one. I think I am.
I think I am.
Suffering from.
Suffering from.
Burnout.
Burnout.
Full sentence. I think I am suffering from burnout.
I think I am suffering from burnout.
Now, let's talk about sadness. Not crying sadness, but low energy. We call this feeling down. Listen. I have been feeling.
I have been feeling.
A bit down.
A bit down.
Lately.
Lately.
Full sentence. I have been feeling a bit down lately.
I have been feeling a bit down lately.
Here is a color idiom. I am feeling.
I am feeling.
A little blue.
A little blue.
Full sentence. I am feeling a little blue today.
I am feeling a little blue today. Blue is a sad color in English. In my country, blue is hope.
In English, blue means sad. Like the music style, the blues. One more phrase for when you are just meh. I am in.
I am in.
A funk.
A funk.
Full sentence. I am just in a funk.
I am just in a funk.
A funk means a bad mood that you can't explain. Leo, if you are in a funk, you need to talk. You need to vent. To vent means to let the air out, to speak your frustrations.
Vent. Like the air conditioner.
Similar idea. Releasing pressure. Let's practice asking a friend. Do you have?
Do you have?
A minute to talk?
A minute to talk.
Full sentence. Do you have a minute to talk?
Do you have a minute to talk?
Now, use the new word. I just need.
I just need.
To vent.
To vent.
For a second.
For a second.
Full sentence, I just need to vent for a second.
I just need to vent for a second.
And finally, what you want from a friend. I need.
I need.
A shoulder to cry on.
A shoulder to cry on.
Full sentence, I really need a shoulder to cry on.
I really need a shoulder to cry on.
You are doing amazing, Leo. I can hear the emotion in your voice. Now, let's put it into practice. Real life situation.
Okay. What is the situation? Am I in the hospital?
No. We are colleagues having a coffee break. You look tired, and I ask you what is wrong. You need to be honest but professional.
Okay. Honest but professional. No potato soup. Got it. I am ready.
Hey Leo. You haven't touched your coffee. Is everything okay? You've been quiet all morning.
Though Dine, to be honest, Sarah, not really. I'm having a tough week.
Oh no. I'm sorry to hear that. What's going on? Is it the new project?
Yes. I am completely up to my eyeballs in reports. The deadline is tomorrow, and my computer crashed twice.
That sounds incredibly stressful. No wonder you look exhausted.
I am. I think I am suffering from burnout. I wake up, and I just feel, in a funk. It is hard to get motivated.
I totally understand. I felt the same way last month. Do you want to talk about it? I'm all ears.
Thanks, Sarah. I just needed to vent. It helps to say it out loud. Maybe I need to take a break this weekend.
You absolutely should. You can't pour from an empty cup, Leo. Take care of yourself first.
You are right. Thanks for being a shoulder to cry on. Or, a shoulder to lean on.
Anytime, Leo. And, cut. Leo, that was beautiful. You expressed your feelings perfectly without sounding crazy.
I feel lighter, Sarah. Saying I am overwhelmed is much better than holding it inside. And vent is my new favorite word.
I am glad to hear that. Listeners, mental health is just as important as physical health. Don't be afraid to say, I'm not okay.
Yes. Don't say, spirit hurt. Say, I'm feeling blue. People will understand you.
Remember the key phrases, stressed out, burnout, feeling down, and vent. Practice them with the shadowing technique.
And if you are up to your eyeballs in work, please take a break. Go for a walk. Or listen to our podcast.
Great advice. Thank you for listening to Sarah and Leo English. Take care of your minds, everyone.
Goodbye. I am going to take a nap now. Bye.